Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to save TikTok without watermark. So you can use online tools that allow you to download videos by copying videos link. So let's open TikTok and find whatever video that we want to download. Okay, for example, this one, and you should find this sharing icon that looks like this, and here find the option copy link. You see that link is copied. Then go to web browser and here search for download TikTok without watermark. Search and open the first link, and here paste the link of the video that you have just copied and press download button. Wait a few seconds. And here you should select without watermark. Tap download, and here in the download section, so here's downloads, you can see that we have just downloaded this video without watermark. You can find it in your files, so here it is, and you see that this video is completely without any watermarks. And also you can download it to your gallery. Tap this share icon and you see this function save video, and this video will be saved to your gallery. So that's how you can save TikTok without watermark. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.